All right, guys, we're back on the M5. Today, we're going to be working on some more PPF. Last time we were able to get all four of the doors together in these beautiful mirror pieces, mirror caps, a few other small stuff. Today, we're cleaning up a little bit of it, but most of the edges and everything are looking really good. We're going to do the fuel door. We're going to do the trunk lid. What we're going to start with right now actually is taking off the rear bumper so that we can actually put on this rear valence section here. This is what is going to replace the stock item. Very similar design with carbon construction, and actually in order to get this off you have to remove the bumper, it sounds like. So we're going to go and take a look at that and see. So like I said, we're going to get to some of the stuff here while the car is still up on the jacks, and then we're going to transition to doing kind of the top of the car with the car down, so it'll be easier to reach and so forth. So that is the plan. Let's see what we can get done. All right, we got the bumper off. How was it, Logan?
Not bad.
Not too bad. Pretty straightforward for a modern rear clip to come off. Few sensor connections for backup sensors and all that jazz. So you can see now, these are the clips that we're gonna have to pop out for the rear diffuser, and then we're gonna be putting in that carbon fiber one here to replace it. So Logan's gonna go ahead and pop this one out, and we'll see how the new one looks in there. All right, guys, so we got the lower valence splitter kind of fitted in now, and Logan has added in a couple of retaining fasteners to each one of the clips, because on the carbon fiber one you can't really trust the clips that they put on there in terms of the overall thickness to keep it in the bumper. So we're adding these additional clips here at the top to do it. Now the only issue seems to be on this side, that the fitment just isn't quite right on the bottom or top. So Logan's taking a Dremel to some of the area just to make sure it fits flushly with the reflector lights that are there. This side fits a little bit better, so we're pretty close to being able to put on the final bits here and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so we got the rear bumper back on. At least we think so right now. How did it go, Logan? What do you think?
Not too bad.
It definitely needed a little bit of finesse and trimming to a certain parts on this side where the light was on both sides is a little bit wonky. You had to Dremel a little bit of the carbon to get it, but otherwise you guys saw we used some self-tapping screws to get the retaining clips to stay in, so this thing's definitely not going anywhere. Cleaned it all up, and now we're gonna go ahead and fit on these lower sections, which, Logan, you wanna go ahead and mock one up there and see what it looks like? So these kind of encapsulate as the lower diffuser for the actual section here. So you can see it looks pretty sick with that. But the trick is gonna be how do we actually attach these, because it's probably not gonna be the most straightforward attachment. There's no existing holes, so we're gonna have to come up with a solution to hold these all on both sides. So we get to do it twice. All right, let's do it. worked.
Before you tighten it all the way,
Okay.
you might try and pull this forward. I mean, it's pretty good right now. Maybe
I think
it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. Okay, then go ahead and just set it down. Do you need a?
Yeah, I need a wrench.
10 mil wrench.
How tight?
That's probably pretty good.
Hmm?
That's probably pretty good.
Okay. Nice.
Qu'est-ce qui m'arrive? Qu'est-ce que je représente? Qui je suis, putain? Va falloir que je me lève. Que je recommence à zéro.
All right, guys, with the doors all done, we're going to throw back in these door handles real quick and get ready to do the rocker panels.
Mais putain, faut que je me relève. Que je me casse. Comment je vais pouvoir me sortir de là?